Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best cold welding machine. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We rank the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5, brand name, Huey. Model number, TIG 200P. Equipped with voltage protection and thermal protection. Easy to use and user-friendly control panel. Ideal for welding of carbon steels, low alloy steels and stainless steels. TIG 200P is designed to be easy to use, lightweight and featuring industrial-grade quality at an unrivaled price point. Power, overload and overheat LED indicators. Easy welding cable connections. With European-type quick connectors. Foot control can be used. Welding rang, cold, 0.4 to 3 mm, hot, 0.8 to 8 mm. Precision welding, smart welding, no discoloration in cold TIG, cleanable in hot TIG. IP21 protection class. Lightweight, small and patented compact design. Suitable for the plate less than 1 mm with brush. New generation IGBT inverter technology. Adjustable and displayable gas pre-flow, post-flow, ignition, base, peak current. Simply welding procedure parameters. Convenient welding for stainless steel, mild steel, bronze alloy, nickel alloy, titanium, low alloy steel. Number 4, brand name, and Deli. Model number, TIG 250G PLC. TIG 250G PLC can be cold welded and pulsed at low temperature. Exquisite weld bead, the welding point temperature is low. The deformation is small. The power is more powerful and the cleaning function is added. Clean the color of the weld bead after ordinary argon arc welding. Clean the surface, expose the original appearance of shiny welding bead. The core cold welding technology, exquisite weld bead, the welding point temperature is low, the deformation is small, the color of the stainless steel welds is silvery white. Screen digital intelligent display, storage store the welding parameters, parameter capable for adjustment when welding. Number 3, brand name, and Deli. Model number, MIG 270 TPL. MIG 270 TPL is a multifunctional welder, made specially for MIG, TIG, is suitable for welding stainless steel, copper, mold, carbon steel and etc. The welding effect of stainless steel is silver white weld bead in cold welding mode. With high-frequency arc ignition ensures a cleaner weld starting point, no spatter, and good weld formation. Suitable for long-distance welding of long seam, no need to press the gun switch all the time when welding, relieving the fatigue of your finger. Generally used for short seam welding and spot welding. The welding effect of stainless steel is silver white weld bead in cold welding mode. No deformation and no color change, especially suitable for mold repair. Number 2, brand name, HZX Wagon. Model number, HBT 2000P. HZX Wagon 110 volt or 220 volt TIG welder pulse 200 ampere with the TIG pulse function. The welding current constantly changes from high amperage to low amperage and vice versa automatically. This allows thinner metals and highly thermally conductive metals to be welded without burning them. In thicker metals tighter and more penetrating welds can be achieved. HZX Wagon dual voltage 200 ampere 2-in-1 welding machine, used as TIG welder or arc, stick welder. The inverter frequency is up to 100 kHz, the welding speed is fast, and the welding process is the best. Perfect welding can be achieved, and there is almost no spatter and post-weld cleaning. The output quick plug 35 to 50 to prevent the welding gun or the welding handle from getting hot due to excessive current. Pulse function can weld ultra-thin plates 0.5 mm without deformation of the base material. There were 4 buttons on the TIG torch. Their function is to turn on or off HF, higher current, lower current and test gas. With this 4-meter-long TIG torch, you can do long-distance welding job. The digital welding torch can remotely control the current and gas of the welding machine to improve welding efficiency. It will automatically enter the standby state if no load time exceeds 3 minutes, reducing power consumption. Pellucid high performance on ultra-thin surfaces with no deformation, compact and portable with lightweight. Protections including overheat, overvoltage, low voltage and overcurrent. Pedal remote control is the perfect solution for more comfortable and efficient position during the welding operation. Number 1, brand name, and Deli. Model number, MCT 520 DPL. It is suitable for welding thin stainless steel, carbon steel and other materials. The welding temperature is relatively low and it will not deform or change color after welding, and it has a high aesthetics. This welding machine is suitable for ordinary thin steel, iron, stainless steel, low carbon steel, mold repair and etc. Not suitable for welding aluminum. With good service support and strong development capabilities, more cost-effective welding equipment is worthy of your choice. Digital interface, real-time display of parameters, more precise adjustment. Reduce deformation and color change. The welding variant will be relatively small, thin stainless steel will not easy to burn through. The color of stainless steel welding bead is silver white. Especially suitable for stainless steel and mold repair. Suitable for gas or gasless welding. Enjoy a good experience on smooth wire feeding. With high-frequency arc ignition ensures a cleaner weld starting point, no spatter, and good weld formation. Cold welder realize real cold welding, reducing deformation, little discoloration. Can meet the use of carbon steel, galvanized sheet, stainless steel, square tube and other materials.